Good morning. It's August 1st. It's the 8th day of my 2011 summer trip, and I'm here at the Iron Horse Motorcycle Lodge. It's supposed to be a resort too. This place is just way cool. Got a little daylight here to be able to show you some of this place this time, so I'm going to kind of pan the camera around so you get a idea what this place looks like. They have place for RV campings, and actually a couple of those RVs over there are part of the staff that's here for the summer. John, the owner of this place, was really a great host. Had a nice chat with him for actually about an hour yesterday evening. Very cool guy. Told me how he started up the place and a whole bit, finding the property and building all this stuff a little bit at a time. The motorcycle parking is really cool. It's overhead with I don't know if you can see the metal grate for your kickstand. This guy's got a flat. He has to go get it fixed. They're going to try slime. Of course, there's my motorcycle, and I actually camped out right there next to the stream. Take you over there so you can see this. I actually used the Oregon bed roll last night, and I just rolled it out here in the next to the stream and had a real nice night sleep. And there's the stream. There's some camping there for people who want to camp. They have bunk houses, cabins. You see the cabins over here. This place is just way too cool. So if you need a place to stay, I'd recommend this place. Big time. And if you don't need a place, stop by. They have had a great breakfast there this morning. Great steak last night too. And I think I mentioned it yesterday, but my whole stay here with the meals for the dinner last night and the breakfast this morning, the whole stay was $30. Real cool. Very affordable. Anyway, I'm going to I know I will be on the Blue Ridge Parkway today, so looking forward to that. I'll be on it for 2 days. There is no phone service out here at all, so probably won't be able to contact anybody. And I'll give you another quick little view here of the motorcycle parking. Alright, I'm all packed up, ready to go, and I will catch y'all later. Hi guys, I'm in the National Smoky Mountain Park. Smoky Mountain National Park. There we go. Got it right. I like this park. It's very cool. If you like the woods and the mountains, be able to see a few animals out here. It's gorgeous out here. Very nice. A little bit way too many people. Sometimes that's what you have to take with summer and everybody being on vacation. After I get through riding this park here, I'm going to head finally on the Blue Ridge. Guess where I'm at? Finally on the Blue Ridge Parkway. Hi guys. Let's see. I ended up in tonight in Asheville, North Carolina. I'm here in a Marriott courtyard. Today's riding was pretty darn good. Had a really good time. Great roads out there. Smoky Mountain National Park. Wonderful time. Despite a little bit of traffic that was there. And the Blue Ridge Parkway was also wonderful. Had a good time going through there. Of course, I have not finished it. We'll continue on it tomorrow. I'd also made a stop at the Wilda Wheel of Time Motorcycle Museum, and I was very disappointed because I thought they closed at 6 and they didn't, and I got there about 5 minutes till 5 and they said I couldn't go in. And then I said, well, what about tomorrow? And they said, well, they weren't open tomorrow and Wednesday. So, disappointment. Maybe next time when I'm here in the area. That was one of my big deals to stop and see on this trip. So, was disappointed. But I'm over it now. Alright, I'm going to hit the sack early tonight, and I'll check with y'all tomorrow.